In today's video, I am going to teach you how to view archived deals in Freshsales. To get started, make sure you are logged into your Freshsales account and you are looking at the main dashboard. Archived deals in Freshsales are usually not labeled as archived in a separate folder. Instead, they are commonly treated as deals that have been moved into a closed status, such as lost. So the goal here is to adjust your view and filters so you can quickly pull up those deals again. First, go to the left sidebar and click on the deals icon. This takes you into the deals area where all of your opportunities are stored. Depending on your last view, you might land on a board-style layout or a table-style layout. Next, switch to list view. Look for the list view option, often shown with a table icon. Select that to display deals in a table format. This is important because the Kanban board view typically focuses on active pipeline stages, and it may not make it easy to surface deals that are already closed out. Once you are in list view, open the filters. Find the filter icon near the top of the deals list and click it. This will open a panel or menu where you can narrow down what appears in your table. Now filter by stage. In the filter options, locate the section that lets you filter by deal stage, then check the box next to the lost stage. In many setups, lost is effectively used as the archived equivalent because it represents deals that are no longer active in the pipeline. After you have selected lost, click apply. The deals list will refresh, and you should now see only the deals that match that stage, giving you a clean view of your archived deals. As a quick tip, if you want to return to your regular view afterward, open the filters again and clear that stage selection, then apply the change so all relevant deals show back up. And that is all there is to it.